right, now we're going to shift a little bit and start moving our pelvis on our femur. So we were moving our leg bone and keeping our pelvis stable. Now we're going to move our pelvis up and down so we get the other end of those hip muscles. This can be very challenging, so if it's too much, don't do it. But it also can be very good for you, and it may be just the thing you need. So we can use some pillows to help cushion us up a bit if we need to. Not required, but you certainly can. You're going to go onto one elbow, and then bring the other leg, other knee out, and then you can straighten this top leg out. Bring this elbow up underneath the shoulder, and you're going to lift this waist as much as you can. If you need to, you can put your hand down for support. Inhale. Now what you're going to try to do is exhale, lift your hips forward so that you're in one long line from head to knee to foot. So inhale, lift it up, reach the head out and away, reach the leg out and away, and press your hips forward the best you can. And then lower down. We're just going to do 5 today. Again, exhale. 2. And lower down. 3. Inhale. 2 more. 4. Inhale. 1 more. 5. And lower down. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and we can just flip ourselves over to the other side carefully. Same thing, you want the elbow right up underneath the shoulder. And then you're going to have your knee, your hips, and your elbow in one long line. And then you're going to reach this top leg out. All right, I understand this is very challenging, so if it's too much for you, don't worry about it, all right? Inhale. Here we go. Exhale, squeeze your tush, lift the hips forward, and lower down as we inhale. Let's go again. 2. Lower down as we inhale. 3. Lower down. Don't drop down. Control it down. 4. And control it down. 1 more. 5. And control it down. Nice. All right. We're going to go onto our belly, and we're going to do those single leg extensions that we did last sequence. And we're going to add both legs at the same time. So for this one, let's flip it up a little bit today so it's a little bit thicker than what you were using last time. And then you're going to bring this down. And again, you can, if you have a bit of a forward head posture, you can actually put your pillow right up underneath here. I am going to keep my head up a little bit, but you can also put your head right onto your hands. Squeeze the legs together, pull the belly button up and in, and remember, we want to make sure that our shoulders don't start attacking us. They got to stay down. That way all your shoulder girdle muscles are helping to support your center. Here we go. Inhale, exhale, lift the right leg. Inhale, lower the right leg. Left leg, exhale, lift. Keep the knee straight. Inhale, lower. Lift the right. Inhale, lower. Lift the left. Inhale, lower. This is 3. Exhale, right. Inhale, lower. Left. Inhale, lower. This is 4. Right. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the left. Inhale, lower. 1 more time. Exhale, right. And lower. Exhale, left. Inhale, lower. Good. You can relax for a moment, but only 1 moment. All right, now we're going to try both legs at the same time. Do the best you can. Keep the shoulders down, pull the abs in. If this is too much, leave it out. Wait till you build more strength. Squeeze the legs tight, point the toes, pull the belly button up and in. Big inhale, exhale. Reach those legs out. Inhale, lower down. Reach those legs out. Inhale, lower down. Again, 3. Inhale, down. 4. Inhale down one more time. Exhale 5 and lower down. Nice. All right, you can just rest down if you want or press yourself up. And you're going to release back into a little bit of child's pose here. All right. We're going to do some doggy basque and some hydrant, my friends. Okay. You can, like we did last time, put your hands over top if you have some wrist issues. Or if not, just get those pillows out of the way and you can put your hands down here. If you're on a raised bed like I am, you can also put your hands off to the side. That can also feel really good as well. All right, so remember, we're trying to not whittle-waddle our hips here. We want our knees hips distance apart, and you're doing your best as you lift up the leg. You don't want to be shifting too far sideways. You'll shift a little bit, but you want to limit it as much as possible. All right, here we go. Inhale. As you exhale, let's pick up the leg and reach it straight behind you. And inhale, flex it and bring it in. Reach it straight behind you and then flex it and bring it in. Reach it straight behind you and flex it in. Keep neutral. This is 3 and bring it in. 2 more. 4 and bring it in. Check your shoulders. Keep them wide. Keep your head out and long. Bring it in. Good. Put that leg down. We're going to go the other side. Upper, middle, back, wide. Head is reaching out and away. Belly button is up and in. Big inhale. Exhale. Pick up that other leg and straighten it out. Now inhale, bend the knee in. And exhale, reach. Inhale, bend it in. 3, 2 more, bend it in. 4, 1 more. 5, and bend it in. Nice. All right, shift back. I like to turn my palms up to the sky to get my shoulders in a good alignment while I'm stretching here. All right, now we're going to do the hydrant, okay? We're going to start, and you're just going to bring your leg out to the side, all right? So tuck your toes under, reach the head out and away. Again, you're going to try to shift as little as possible as you lift the leg. Inhale, exhale. Pick up a leg sideways, and then bring it back down. You can take the weight back onto that knee if you like. Pick it up side and bring it down. Again, side and bring it down. Let's do 2 more. Side and bring it down. 1 more. Side and bring it down. All right, we're going to go the other side. Inhale, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Lift, inhale, lower. Again, lift, inhale, lower. 2 more. Lift and lower. 1 more. Lift and lower. Good. Release those toes back. Flip the palms up. And then shift back and take a breather. Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. You can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.